This is a short test of the new Mavic 3 Pro drone. I flew it just a bit the other day and I wanted to check the differences between dlog and dlog-m and the 7th versus the triple camera. So just shot some clips here. The first one, it's going to be the triple camera, the 3x camera. It's shot on dlog-m. It's tracking this sailboat here. It's pretty easy to track. It's not a zoom. I color graded with DaVinci Resolve. The next shot is the same sailboat, but this time with 7x camera, 7x zoom. So here it's a bit harder to track the subject. It's this is the normal. It doesn't have a D-log. It doesn't have a flat profile, so this is straight out of the camera as the drone shot it. I find it's pretty okay. It's maybe a bit over sharpened, but I think it's pretty good quality wise. The next video is from the normal, the 3/4 camera. This was shot in D-log, not the D-log-m that the triple camera has. And it's pretty easy to grade on DaVinci Resolve, but then again you have, when you switch to the triple camera, like the next shot here, then you have the dlog-m, so it requires a bit different color grading versus the normal camera. I think it looks pretty awesome. I prefer this one better than the 7x. I think the quality is a bit better and it's also more customizable. Here's the 7x camera, this big yacht here. Filming from further out, it's compressing a lot the background, as you can see. And now it's here the same yacht with the triple camera. This is color graded, the other one was not straight out of camera. Hope you enjoyed this short test.